Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Aliff Iqmal bin Othman and I am from 3BITS. So today I would like to present my final year project called Hireme. So before I start, there will be three different sections that we're going to be discussing today. So the first section is the system analysis. So the system analysis is where we're going to discuss about the system requirements, system database and everything. The second section we will be discussing about our system demonstration. So this is the parts where I'm going to show you guys my current progress of final year project. So the third one is the conclusion. So moving on to the first section, the system analysis. So what is Hireme? So Hireme is basically a web-based application. It works as a job finder system that helps candidates to get a placement in a company that offering a job. So the objective of this system is to act as a medium for company and candidate. Second, to assist the company to recruit the capable person. The third one is to create a centralized system for job seeking environment. Okay. Moving on to the modules to be developed. So the first one is the job finder module. So this is where my main module located at. So this is where the candidate and the company gonna be posting and apply the job. So the second module that gonna be developed is the company management module. So the company management module is basically a place where company posts about their information and everything before submitting a job. So the third modules to be developed is the resume and CV module. So this is for the candidates who would love to apply a job. They must complete their resume and CV module first before they are able to apply a job. So the fourth one is the user module. So user module is basically the authentication module. So the fifth one is the bookmark module. So this is where the candidates can bookmark their job and everything. Okay. So user scope. So there is three different types of users. So the first one is candidate. So as we all know, the candidate will apply the job. So the second one is company. Company will post a job, post a vacancies, a job for the candidates to apply. So the third one is the admin. So admin will work as the validator for the company and also for the jobs. So admin will, before a company can register to the system, they need to go through the admin, and admin will accept or reject them. Okay, so moving on, I'm gonna be showing my system demonstration. Please be noted that I have only completed 70% of the system. So this is my mistake. Before I start, I would like to apologize because I could not meet the standard. But I promise to you, for the next presentation for FYP2, I will recover myself and I will present to you the complete system. Okay. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is to go to my website. So this is basically the home page of my website. So before logging in, the user can browse the job that they want over here. So they can also filter the job. So for example, if I choose accounting and finance, so I'm just gonna search over here. So only one job will appear over here. So if you click this, then the list of jobs will appear. So if you click apply, they need to sign in before they are able to apply. Okay. So right now I'm going to create a new user. So I'm just going to register here. So I'm just going to go with Muhammad Shami. The email is Shami. So this one role they can choose either candidate or company, but this role will be changed later because the admin need to verify the company first. So this one is only for candidate, while company can only make requests. So this will be changed later. So for the validation for email, I've already inserted here. So if you put anything without @gmail.com, not necessarily at Gmail, at any.com, then the system will not accept the values. So for password and retype password, I've already set it for it to be matched. So for example, if it did not match, error message will appear. So I'm not going to show you that because I'm just going to skip that part. So right now I'm registering Shahmi as a candidate. Okay. So right now message login will appear here. Please log in. I'm just going to skip that. Okay, so right now I'm going to go to Shahmi. Okay, So right now Xiaomi are already logging in. As you can see here, they have an option of home, dashboard, and profile and everything. So before submitting a job, they need to fulfill the profile first. So this is the profile page. So as you can see here, that to apply jobs, please complete this section. To apply jobs, please complete this section. There is no data recorded. There is no data recorded. So about me, there is also no data recorded because Xiaomi did not complete his profile yet. So I'm just gonna start with you guys over here. So enter skill, I'm just gonna put Excel. Proficiency, I'm gonna put advanced. So I'm gonna add over here. So here is the due data. So if you go to the profile, Excel, advanced in Excel for skills have appeared. So I'm just gonna do the same for language. This, for example, Japanese written, maybe it's 5, spoken 7, pass. So it will appear here. Some also in profile, they will appear over here, Japanese. So right now I'm just gonna go to the additional info. So right now there is no data, so we need to edit information. So for example, state Malacca, expected salary maybe 2000. Total experience, I'm gonna put 1 year. Okay, so this is the current information right now. So I'm just gonna update about me. So this is the current data that database hold. So right now I'm gonna choose gender over here, contact number. Address, I'm just gonna put anything. Birth. Nationality, we put Malaysian. So all of the data will be displayed over profile. So you can see here there is the data, and then we're gonna go to the uploaded CV. No, I'm gonna go with uploaded resume first. So they can upload their custom-made resume over here. So for example, this one I'm just gonna upload. So please be noted that this input will only receive a document type such as PDF, Word, and everything. So for example, I'm gonna add here anything that is PDF or docs or anything. Okay, so they will be able to preview their document first before submitting. Okay, so I'm just gonna submit over here. So the file will be here, same as goes as CV. So our CV is basically the same as resume, so I'm just gonna skip that part. So moving on to the education. So in education, we have to add your 2 highest education qualifications. So this is the max. So in my case, I am from University Technical Malaysia Melaka, graduating in September next year. Institute Melaka, qualification, bachelor degrees, field of study, computer science, major in software development, grade 4 flat. Okay, so additional info, we can just customize additional info here. For example, I am Xiaomi and I love programming. So we can just like bold over here. You can just like make it like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna save over here. Okay, so this is the current data. Okay, so in profile, the status will be updated. So over here, September 2022, University Technical Malaysia Melaka, bachelor degree, software development, 4 flat. So in experience, so let's say Xiaomi is a fresh graduate. So this is the option, as you can see, if the users click I am a student seeking for internship. So this section will be optional. So there will be no submitting. So they can just like progress over here. They can just skip this part. They can just click save. For I am fresh graduate and seeking for my first job, they can just skip this part. And for I have been working before, so this is the list over here. So for example, Xiaomi have worked before as a part-timer. Company name, Petronas, select one. Let's say June June 2020 until April 2022 at 2021. So specialization in Asia, country in Malaysia, industry fast food. Monthly salary we can say about 1,000. So in this description is also optional, so they can put here about their description of experience. So I'm just gonna click save here. So the data will be appear over here. So China, background, industry, and everything. So this is their current updated profile. So since the update is already here, okay. Wait, I'm just gonna change. I think I forgot to change my name. Okay, the name over here. Just gonna edit Muhammad Shami. This is Muhammad Shami right now. So this is phone number, this is his email, this is where he came from. Okay, so that's his profile. And then I'm gonna go to the home to apply the job. So before I apply the job, I would like to show you the dashboard. Okay, so this is the dashboard. So as you can see here, this is supposed to show 000 over here because there is no data recorded yet. So this space I have not completed yet, so but this will be a JavaScript. So for example, if you click job apply, only this division will appear. So for save job, only this section will appear. Only for job for offer, only this section will appear. So right now there is no data recorded since Shami did not apply to any job yet. So right now Shami will try to apply for the job. So for example, if he click IT technical 1 2 2 3 from IT or engineering, so he can read the description over here and then click apply if he would love to apply for this job. So for example, I should want to apply this job, so we just can click OK over here, and then the system will tell them that this they have successfully applied. Okay. So once the user has successfully applied, the job that they have applied will show this type of button. So next, I'm going to show you guys the bookmark. So for example, I click finance executive. So I'm just going to bookmark this. Okay, so I'm just going to click OK. So right now bookmark have been disabled, so they can't click the bookmark section. So I'm just going to go to the dashboard back. So as you can see, there is one job applied, one saved job. So this is the this is the one they have applied before. IT technical and everything. IT technical applied date. Okay. So this one is for the bookmark. This is the finance executive, IT engineering. So this is where they bookmark their jobs. So this one is supposed to view the job. So I didn't complete it yet. So next, moving on to the company side. So before I start registering the new company, so I'm just gonna go to the company that Shami have applied before. So the company is Usaha Engineering. So I'm just gonna log in. So this is the dashboard. So as you can see, this is the list of jobs that they have posted before. So I'm just gonna go to the job. So this is the interface of the job. So for here you can see IT technical, there is one total applicant and there is one new applicant. So if I click this, so the list of applicants will be shown here. So soon I will change Muhammad Shami into href, so that once they click the name, they can view the resume over here. So this is the resume. As you can see, this one is the one that they have filled in before. This is their profile. Okay, so that's what's happened in company once they have applied the job. So I'm just gonna register a new company. So for example, I'm just gonna register UTM as a company. The role is company, so I'm just going to register. So this is the current dashboard. So there is no job ads coming soon. And then for the job, so this is the company profile progress bar. So let's see if I want to click jobs. I want to add jobs without completing my profile. So if I click add job, a message like this will appear: please complete your profile in order to post a job. So the company will need to fill in the profile. So if the company decided to click profile over here, it will be redirected to the page of the progress that they haven't done yet. Okay, so I'm just going to continue from here. So for company, I'm just going to put 1126758. So type of service, they can just click over here, they can choose company information. This is up to them. So we are a university. Okay, so Utam, you can just put Utam Durian Tunggal. So they can just input any website over here, utam.com. I'm just gonna submit. So right now their current progress is at 50%. So just they have to need their they need to add their register number and the company size, the number of employees. So let's say you have 500 employees. So this is the average process to accept. So this is basically a time that the admin or the company will respond to the applicant. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to click 3 days. Industry, I'm just going to click learning, right? So company benefit, they can just add any company benefit over here. They can customize their benefits. So I'm just going to submit. So this is where the company logo needs to be updated. So they can just upload it any company any image. So this one, I'm just going to upload any image that my computer have right now. So let's say if I upload this. So this is the preview. So just going to click submit. So this is their current profile right now. So right now, when going back to the dashboard, so the progress bar will be missing. So right now I'm just gonna post a job. So I'm just gonna add a job over here. So enter the job vacancy name. So let's say I need an educator. So job vacancy description, they can just like style their preference over here. They can customize what they want, what they are looking for in a candidate. So for example, I am looking for a fresh graduate. Okay, so what type of role is it? They can either choose full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, internship. So for this right now I'm just going to click contract. Position is a non-executive. Experience maybe at 2 years, more than 3 years. So it is a fresh graduate, so it's always less than 1 year. Job category, they can choose over here: education and training, location in Malacca, minimum salary 2,000 to 3,000. So I'm just going to click save. So once they have added the job, so the status will be in draft right now. So they need to click here and this option will appear, so they can just edit it over here, and we're just gonna publish. So I show you to publish this job. Yes. So right now it's already published. So right now the public can view it and apply for this job. So for example, I'm just gonna view this job, educator. So I'm just gonna log out. I'm just gonna search for educator. So this is the job that I posted earlier. So this is the job, so they can apply it over here. So that's it from the system. I know that I have only completed only a few parts, but for next presentation I will show you more. Before I end my presentation for FYP1, I need to conclude that I hope the system will be the medium for the candidates to locate the job that they are interested. Does help the process of recruiting in company sites. So before I end this, once again I would like to apologize because I did not manage to complete my FYP1 until the required percent of progress. But for FYP2, for the next presentation, I will complete the system and I will show you guys again. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.